Hello friends, today we are going to do an experiment based on properties of water. So most of the liquids compress when cooled, but water expands when cooled. So we are going to do an experiment to show that. In this you need a test tube holder, a sketch pen and some water. So first we need to pour some water in the test tube. And now you need to close the test tube. And then you need to mark the line of water.
So can you show it closely? Okay.
Now let's freeze it for 24 hours and come back. We are back after 24 hours. Now let's see the results. As you can see, here's the blue line and here's the ice. It seems to be raised above the blue line. As you can see that this proves that water expands on cooling. Thanks for watching.